Hello everyone on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Every day we will upload a video answering questions and concerns from students during their participation in our courses. If you don't want to miss any videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment. That way when we release new videos, you'll be among the first to see them, even before others do. In today's video, we will share how to connect two internal paths together. This student is asking when they move the starting point of this path, the other end doesn't move along with it. This is a situation where they haven't connected these two internal paths together yet. These two internal paths are separate lines. So if you encounter this situation, just press Shift plus J. After that, you just double click on this third point and immediately the point from this path and the point from the other path will be joined together at position number 3. And now, when you use the move commands, both the point from the upper path and the point from the lower path will move together. This way, it's very convenient for you during the process of editing details. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next sharing sessions.